Every one of us has used local buses while traveling in a city. We have noticed that there are bus stops at defined locations for boarding of passengers. What do you think will happen in the absence of bus stops? The buses will stop anywhere to pick up passengers, leading to chaos. Therefore, bus stops ensure that buses should only stop at particular locations for pickups and drops. Similarly, in a Word document, tab stops help faster movement of the text cursor and enables effective formatting of text. It takes the cursor to the predefined positions easily. The tab key on the keyboard moves the text cursor forward till it finds the next tab stop. MS Word 2010 has a horizontal ruler bar below the ribbon. The ruler bar helps to position the text or graphics. Tabs can be set by clicking the horizontal ruler bar where you want to apply the tab. The other way to set up tab stops is through the dialog launcher button of the paragraph group of the Home tab. It will open the paragraph dialog box. Now click on the Tabs button on the bottom left corner. It will launch another dialog box, Tabs. You can set the desired tab and specify the position in the dialog box. Let us understand the exact steps to set the tabs through the ruler. On the MS Word 2010 window, just below the ribbon is the View Ruler icon. The View Ruler icon is used to view or hide the horizontal ruler. Alternatively, we can tick the ruler checkbox in the Show group of the View tab. You can view the horizontal ruler bar to set up the tabs. On clicking the Tab button on the keyboard, the cursor moves to the next tab stop. Let's learn the different types of tabs available in MS Word 2010. These are Left tab, Center tab, Right tab, Decimal tab, and Bar tab. Besides tabs, it has two indents, which is used for paragraph indenting. These tabs can be selected by clicking the tab toggle icon on the left side just below the ribbon. On clicking the tab toggle icon, it will show the different tabs one by one. Select the desired one. To set the tab, click the horizontal ruler. To remove the tab, drag the tab and drop it outside the horizontal ruler. The bar tab does not actually position the text. It draws a vertical line between text and two tab stops. On pressing the tab key on the keyboard, it will draw a vertical line that helps in formatting. The decimal tab helps in positioning the decimal point in the number vertically aligned. After reaching the decimal tab position, the number typed will shift the entered digits towards the left before putting the point. The number is typed left to right after the decimal point. The leader character provides choices to fill blank spaces used by tab positions, such as creating a dotted line. For example, selecting number 2 from the leader section of the tab dialog box will set the tab leader with a dotted line. Now, on clicking the Tab button on the keyboard, it will display the dotted line up to the next tab position. Let's learn how to perform paragraph indentation in MS Word 2010. First line indent and hanging indent are used for paragraph formatting. To format the paragraph, drag the first line indent and hanging indent in the horizontal ruler and position it at the required position. In the example, the highlighted paragraph is without any indentation. In this case, both first line indentation and hanging indentation is at the 0 position at the ruler. In the second example, in the highlighted paragraph, the first line indentation is positioned at 1 and the text is shifted to the right for the first line. In the third example, in the highlighted paragraph, the first line indentation is positioned at 0 and the hanging indentation is positioned at 1. In this case, the text in all the lines except the first line of the paragraph is shifted to the right at position 1. In order to use the Alignment tab, open the Paragraph dialog box using the launcher. Click the Tabs button to open the Tabs dialog box. Select the tab position to set the desired alignment. On pressing the Tab key, if the cursor reaches the Center Align tab position, the text typed will be center aligned. If the cursor reaches the Right Align tab position, the text typed will be right aligned. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.